Did you know many people are having trouble with scanning documents to email when their printer is out of ink? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Place document. Place your document face down on the scanner glass or in the feeder. Step 2. Access apps. On the home screen, tap Apps, then select Scan to Email. Step 3. Select account. Choose your email account on the display or set up a new one. Step 4. Enter PIN. Enter the required email authentication PIN if prompted. Step 5. Confirm and send. Adjust recipient emails, confirm, and tap Scan to Email to send. Now you can scan your documents to email even if your printer is out of ink. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.